Yo, what's up guys? It's me, 1234 Beyblade, and today I have an unboxing of the MFB Explosion set. Oh jeez, I'm so happy to finally have this. I think Kay's been holding it for me for at least like 2 months. But yeah, let's open up the bubble wrap. And there it is. Wow. I love this. This is so awesome. Beyblade 2020 anniversary. Awesome. Just awesome. Wait, does this like slide out? Oh, yo, oh my gosh. Whoa. Yo, this is sick. Wow. I love this. This is awesome. I didn't even know it comes with the Beylaunchers. And there's the amazing art. Pretty wicked. Well, unfortunately, I'm gonna be using these, so yeah. Alright, so up top, there's a little thing you open. And you get them out. Oh no, there's tape. Oh no, there isn't. I'm just being dumb. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna have to pop them out from here, aren't I? Gravy Perseus, oh my gosh. Galaxy Pegasus, woo, my favorite one. Meteo L-Drago. Unicorno. And lastly, we got Kerbecs, the ugliest one in my opinion. And yeah, these launchers, I don't really care about them. They can stay in the box. Alright, so let's get a closer look at Meteo L-Drago first. It comes with 7 vortex, it seems. Spiral dash. Kind of meme stuff, but yeah. The teeth don't seem that amazing either. And then we have Gravy Perseus. I'm guessing, yeah, this one does have L and R. And it comes with 00 bump. Yielding? Is that yielding? I don't know. And we got Kerbecs. Whatever the hell these are. 0 something something. Galaxy Pegasus. Oh, is that 2? No, it's 5. 5 glaive jolt dash. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing at the bottom. I love that. And Unicorno. What is that? Is that 1 dash? Oh yeah, that's 1 dash. Whatever circle thingy. And this dash driver. What is it called? Unite dash? Yeah, something like that. Alright, let's give these a spin. Here's Unicorno. A lot of jumping. Kerbecs. Nice, I like that. Gravity Perseus. Ah, that hurts. What is that? What? Galaxy Pegasus. Classic. Meteo L-Drago. Oh hell yeah! Oh my god! I can't wait to do some videos with these. This is gonna be awesome. All right, I want to do Gravity Perseus versus like Unicorno or something. Okay. Self first, okay. Here comes. Oh, oh no, stop dodging. Oh, we get one of those stall battles. Oh, I'm so disappointed how bad the teeth are on these. Got some nice hits in the beginning. That was it was like a barrage of attacks. Too bad we got a stall at the end. Hopefully you'll still get a burst. My Galaxy. Oh, come on! No! Oh jeez. Oh, that was sick! Alright, we gotta do this classic Unicorno and Galaxy. And Galaxy gets a knockout! Let's go! Oh, Galaxy's definitely my favorite out of all these. I don't know what people are saying that Jolt sucks on this. I love it. It's awesome. Alright, let's just do like one health Kerbecs. God, why did they give health Kerbecs like that driver? I don't understand. Like, what were they thinking? Wow, it got rolled. Okay. Oh, health Kerbecs coming in with the attacks. That was sick. I thought it was gonna be a stall battle or something. Oh, let's go! Oh my gosh, Kerbecs with the clutch win there. That was sick. Alright, well, I think that's it for this video. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. That was awesome. I love the sets. Wow! I'm so happy they released like Galaxy Pegasus. Galaxy Pegasus is my favorite. Look at it. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Like, this design is just out of this world, I swear. Oh, I can't get over it. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Oh my gosh, I'll see you guys in the next video. Woo! Let's get it.